We will learn words starting with F in this video. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share this video, and please subscribe to the channel for more such content. So let's start. Fabric. Fabric means something made by weaving or felting or knitting or crocheting natural or synthetic fibers. Facile. Facile means performed adroitly and without effort. Faction. Faction means a party or group that is often contentious or self-seeking. Faculty. Faculty means the body of teachers and administrators at a school. Fainthearted. Fainthearted means lacking courage or resolution. Fallacious. Fallacious means based on an incorrect notion or misleading information. Fame. Fame means the state or quality of being widely honored and acclaimed. Familiarity. Familiarity means a state of close relationship, intimacy. Famine. Famine means a severe shortage. Fantasy. Fantasy means the free play of creative imagination. Fascinate. Fascinate means to transfix and hold spellbound by an irresistible power. Fascinating. Fascinating means extremely interesting or charming. Fashionable. Fashionable means having elegance or taste or refinement in manners or dress. Fastidious. Fastidious means difficult to please. Fatalistic. Fatalistic means believing that all events are predetermined and therefore inevitable. Fate. Fate means an event that will inevitably happen in the future, destiny. Fathom. Fathom means to measure depths with a sounding line, as of a body of water. Fatigue. Fatigue means temporary loss of strength and energy resulting from hard physical or mental work, a lack of vitality. Faulty. Faulty means having a defect, characterized by errors. Feast. Feast means an elaborate meal often accompanied by a ceremony or entertainment. Federal. Federal means of or relating to the central government of a federation. Felicitous. Felicitous means exhibiting an agreeably appropriate manner or style, marked by good fortune. Felony. Felony means a grave crime for which the punishment in federal law may be death or more than 1 year of imprisonment. Feral. Feral means wild and menacing, savage. Ferocious. Ferocious means exhibiting or given to extreme fierceness and unrestrained violence and brutality. Fertile. Fertile means marked by great fruitfulness. Fertilization. Fertilization means an act or process of fecundation, insemination, or pollination. Fertilizer. Fertilizer means any substance such as manure or a mixture of nitrates used to make soil more fertile. Fervent. Fervent means exhibiting or marked by great intensity of feeling. Feud. Feud means mutual enmity or quarrel that is often prolonged or inveterate. Feverishly. Feverishly means in a manner marked by intense emotion, activity, or instability. Fib. Fib means a trivial lie. Fickle. Fickle means marked by erratic changeability in affections or attachments. Fiction. Fiction means that which is feigned, invented, or imagined, a feigned or invented story, whether oral or written. Fictitious. Fictitious means formed or conceived by the imagination, adopted in order to deceive. Figure. Figure means a diagram or picture illustrating textual material. File. File means a set of related records kept together. Filter. Filter means a porous material that removes something from whatever passes through it, to remove things with a filter. Finalist. Finalist means a contestant in the ultimate stages of a competition. Fine. Fine means a sum imposed as punishment for an offense. Finite. Finite means having definite or definable limits. Firebrand. Firebrand means someone who deliberately foments trouble. Fission. Fission means a nuclear reaction in which a massive nucleus splits into smaller nuclei with the simultaneous release of energy. Fixed. Fixed means having a set and unchanging value. Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted means overwhelmed with astonishment and surprise. Flagrant. Flagrant means conspicuously offensive. Flamboyant. Flamboyant means elaborately or excessively ornamented. Flammable. Flammable means capable of being easily ignited and of burning quickly. Flap. Flap means a state of excitement or agitation, something that generates an uproar, to move with a thrashing motion. Flaunt. Flaunt means to wave or flutter showily, to display ostentatiously. Flaw. Flaw means an imperfection or fault. Flexibility. Flexibility means the quality of being adaptable or variable. Flight. Flight means the act of escaping physically, the act of passing through the air with wings. Flippancy. Flippancy means unbecoming levity or pertness, especially in response to grave or sacred matters. Flippant. Flippant means lacking proper respect or seriousness. Flipper. Flipper means the flat broad limb of aquatic animals specialized for swimming. Flock. Flock means a group of birds or mammals assembled or herded together. Flopping. Flopping means swinging or moving loosely. Florid. Florid means elaborately or excessively ornamented. Flourish. Flourish means to grow vigorously, to thrive, to prosper. Flout. Flout means to mock or insult, to treat with contempt. Flowing. Flowing means moving in a stream. Fluent. Fluent means ready or facile in speech. Fluid. Fluid means a substance tending to flow or conform to the outline of its container. Flyer. Flyer means an advertisement intended for wide distribution. Focused. Focused means concentrated on or clustered around a central point or purpose. Foes. Foes means enemies, opponents. Foil. Foil means someone or something that serves as a contrast to another. Foolhardy. Foolhardy means marked by unthinking boldness, with defiant disregard for danger or consequences. Footnote. Footnote means a note of reference, explanation, or comment usually placed below the text on a printed page. Foppish. Foppish means affecting extreme elegance in dress and manner. Forbid. Forbid means to command against, to keep from happening or arising, to have the effect of preventing. Force. Force means strength or energy exerted or brought to bear, cause of motion or change, active power. Forceful. Forceful means vigorous, powerful, compelling, impressive. Forecast. Forecast means to calculate or predict. Foreign. Foreign means relating to, originating in, or characteristic of another place or part of the world, introduced from an outside source. Forensics. Forensics means the art or study of argumentative discourse. Foresight. Foresight means providence by virtue of planning prudently for the future. Foretell. Foretell means to tell beforehand. Forward. Forward means a short introductory essay preceding the text of a book. Forge. Forge means a workplace where metal is worked by heating and hammering. Forgeries. Forgeries means false imitations made especially with intent to defraud. Forgettable. Forgettable means likely to be forgotten, not memorable. Forlorn. Forlorn means sad and lonely due to desertion or abandonment, marked by or showing hopelessness. Formality. Formality means a requirement of etiquette or custom. Format. Format means the general appearance of a publication. Formidable. Formidable means of extremely impressive strength or excellence which inspires great respect or awe. Formulate. Formulate means to come up with, to invent. Fort. Fort means a strong or fortified place, usually, a small fortified place, occupied only by troops. Forthright. Forthright means directly forward. Fortitude. Fortitude means strength of mind that enables one to endure adversity with courage. Fortuitous. Fortuitous means having no cause or apparent cause, occurring by happy chance. Forum. Forum means a public meeting or assembly for open discussion, a public place to meet for open discussion. Foster. Foster means to cherish, to promote the growth of, to encourage, to sustain and promote. Fractious. Fractious means quarrelsome, unruly. Fracture. Fracture means to cause a fracture or fractures in, to separate the continuous parts of. Fragile. Fragile means easily broken or destroyed. Fragmentation. Fragmentation means the separation of something into smaller pieces or units. Fragrant. Fragrant means affecting the olfactory nerves agreeably, sweet of smell, odorous, having or emitting an agreeable perfume. Frame. Frame means a case or border enclosing a picture, window, door. Frankness. Frankness means free, forthright, and sincere expression. Fraternize. Fraternize means to associate, to make friends, to behave as intimates. Fraud. Fraud means intentional deception resulting in injury to another person, deliberate trickery intended to gain an advantage. Fraudulent. Fraudulent means intended to deceive, dishonest. Freight. Freight means goods carried by a large vehicle. Frenetic. Frenetic means marked by madness or emotional agitation. Frenzied. Frenzied means affected with a violent mental or emotional agitation. Friction. Friction means the resistance encountered when one body is moved in contact with another. Frigid. Frigid means extremely cold. Fringe. Fringe means a group with marginal or extremist views. Frivolity. Frivolity means the quality or state of lacking seriousness and sensibility. Frugal. Frugal means economical in the use or appropriation of resources, not wasteful or lavish. Frugality. Frugality means the economic use of resources. Frustration. Frustration means a feeling of annoyance at being hindered or criticized. Fugitive. Fugitive means one who flees from pursuit, danger, restraint, service, duty. Fumigate. Fumigate means to purify or free from infection by the use of smoke or vapors. Function. Function means a mode of action or activity by which a thing fulfills its purpose. Fundamental. Fundamental means a leading or primary principle, rule, law, or article, which serves as the groundwork of a system, essential part. Fungus. Fungus means a parasitic plant lacking chlorophyll, leaves, and true stems and roots, and reproducing by spores. Furlough. Furlough means a leave of absence from duty. Furnace. Furnace means an enclosed chamber in which heat is produced to warm buildings, destroy refuse, smelt or refine ores. Further. Further means to a greater distance, in addition, moreover. Fury. Fury means a feeling of intense anger. Futile. Futile means useless, ineffectual, vain. Futility. Futility means uselessness. We will learn words starting with D in this video. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share this video, and please subscribe to the channel for more such content. So let's start.